You know what's crazy? Most people will work for 40 years and retire broke. Not because they didn't make enough money, but because they made the same 10 mistakes over and over again. And if you're watching this right now, you're probably making at least 7 of them. The good news: you're about to find out exactly what they are and how to stop bleeding money today. What's up, everyone? Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat this. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, stuck in the same financial situation year after year, this video is going to hit different. Because I'm going to show you the exact *10 money mistakes that are keeping you broke. And here's the thing. These aren't the boring ones you've heard a million times like, skip the coffee. These are the real psychological traps, the ones nobody talks about, the ones silently destroying your bank account while you sleep. By the end of this video, you'll know. White heavy checkmark, why you're actually sabotaging yourself. White heavy checkmark, the exact psychology behind staying broke. White heavy checkmark, and how to flip the script starting today. Oh, and stick around till the end, because I'm dropping one game-changing mindset hack that literally changed my entire relationship with money. Let's get into it. Let me ask you something. Have you ever told yourself, once I get that raise, then I'll start saving? Yeah, so has everyone else who's still broke. Here's the brutal truth. When you make $30,000 a year, you think you need $50,000 to start saving. When you make $50,000, you'll think you need $80,000. It's called lifestyle inflation *, and it's a silent killer. Your brain is wired to seek comfort now *. It doesn't care about future you. It wants that new phone, that dinner out, that upgrade today. You stay on the hamster wheel forever. More money comes in, more money goes out. Nothing changes. You'll never feel like you make enough to save. Flip the script. Save first spend second *. Even if it's just $20 a week, automate it, make it invisible. Because here's the secret. Wealth isn't built with big money. It's built with consistent habits. Real talk. How much of the stuff you own did you buy to impress someone else? That outfit you wore once, those shoes collecting dust, that car payment that's killing you every month. Social media has reprogrammed your brain. You see people flexing, you feel behind, so you buy stuff to keep up. But here's what they don't show you. Most of those people are broke too. They're just broke with better photos. You trade real wealth for fake status. You look rich, but your bank account is screaming. Ask yourself before every purchase. Am I buying this for me, or for the gram? Wealth whispers, poverty shouts. The truly rich, they don't need to prove it. Quick question. How much did you spend last month? No, you don't know. That's the problem. Most people have no idea where their money goes. It just disappears. $8 here, $15 there, subscriptions you forgot about, food delivery, random Amazon purchases. Tracking feels boring, it feels restrictive, so you avoid it. Plus, ignorance feels safer than facing the truth. You leak hundreds, sometimes thousands every month without realizing it. It's like having a hole in your pocket and wondering why you're always broke. Track everything for just 30 days. Use an app, use a notebook, I don't care. Just write it down. You'll be shocked at what you find. And once you see it, you can fix it. Listen to me very carefully. Your credit card is not free money. It's a loan. With interest rates that would make a loan shark blush. It feels painless. Swipe done, no cash leaving your hand, no immediate sting. Your brain doesn't register it as spending. Studies show people spend up to *100% more when using credit instead of cash. You rack up debt fast. That $50 dinner, with minimum payments and interest, it actually costs you $89. You're literally paying double for everything. If you can't pay it off in full every month, don't use it. Simple as that. Treat it like a debit card, only spend what you have. Hey, real quick. If you're getting value from this, do me a favor. Hit that like button right now. And drop a comment telling me which mistake hit home the hardest. Because I read every single one. Alright, let's keep going. I'll invest when the market drops. I'll start when I understand it better. I'll wait until I have more money. Here's the thing. There is no perfect time. Fear, pure and simple. Fear of losing money. Fear of making the wrong choice. Fear of looking stupid. So you wait and wait and wait. You lose the most powerful force in finance. Every year you wait costs you tens of thousands in compound growth. The person who starts investing at 25 with $100 a month will have more at 65 than someone who starts at 35 with $300 a month. That's not motivation, that's math. You don't need $10,000. Start with $10. Index funds, ETFs, retirement accounts. Automate it, forget it. Let time do the heavy lifting. The best time to invest was 10 years ago. The second best time, today. This one's uncomfortable, but it's asterisk critical. Show me your 5 closest friends, and I'll show you your financial future. If everyone around you is broke, complains about money, and has no ambition, it's comfortable, it's familiar. Plus, changing your circle feels like betrayal. You adopt their habits, their mindset, their excuses. You become the average asterisk of who you spend time with. Broke friends normalize being broke. You don't have to cut anyone off. But you need to add new people. Join communities, find mentors, consume different content. Surround yourself with people who are doing what you want to do. Not people who are stuck where you are. Okay, let's destroy this lie right now. Money doesn't buy happiness. It's a comforting story broke people tell themselves to feel better. You self-sabotage. You subconsciously avoid wealth because you've been programmed to think it's evil or shallow. But let me tell you what money actually buys. Freedom to quit a job you hate. Ability to help your parents retire. Time with your kids instead of working 80 hours. Peace of mind when emergencies happen. Options. Money doesn't buy happiness. But poverty guarantees miser. Stop demonizing wealth. Start seeing it as an tool for good. For freedom, for impact, for the life you actually want. Give yourself permission to want. It's only $10 a month. It's just a small subscription. It's not a big deal. Yes, it is. $10 a month equals $120 a year. 5 subscriptions equals $600 a year. Over 10 years, $6,000. Small amounts don't feel significantly. Your brain ignores them. Death by 1,000 cuts. You're not losing money in one big disaster. You're bleeding out slowly and don't even notice. Do a subscription audit right now. Cancel what you don't use. Renegotiate what you do. Small leaks sink big ships. Plug the holes. I'm going to say something that might upset you. Your job will never make you wealthy. It'll pay your bills, maybe give you stability. But wealthy, no. Because society told you, go to school, get a job, retire rich. That's a lie. You trade time for money, and there's only so much time. You cap your income. You cap your future. You work 40 years to make someone else rich. Start something on the side. Invest, create, build. Income from a job is linear. Wealth from assets is exponential. Your job is the floor, not the ceiling. Last one. And it's the killer. You try, you fail, you quit. You start a side hustle, doesn't work in 3 months, you quit. You start saving, something breaks, you quit. You invest, market dips, you panic and quit. You're giving up right before the breakthrough. You expect instant results. But wealth is a long game. You reset to zero, over and over. You never build momentums, you stay stuck forever. Stop chasing quick wins. Commit to the boring, unsexy, daily habits. Success isn't loud, it's quiet, repetitive, boring. But it works. The only way you lose is if you stop. Alright. You've just learned the 10 mistakes. But here's the thing. Knowing isn't enough. So I'm about to give you the one mindset shift that ties all of this together. This is the secret sauce. Stay with me. Here it is. The shift that changed everything for me. Stop thinking like a consumer. Start thinking like an investor. Let me explain. A asterisk consumer asks, can I afford this? An asterisk investor asks, will this make me money or cost me money? A consumer buys a $1,000 phone to flex. An investor buys a $1,000 course to learn a skill that makes $10,000. A consumer sees $500 and thinks vacation. An investor sees $500 and thinks stock shares. Every single dollar is a soldier. You can send it out to work asterisk for you. Or you can blow it on stuff that makes you poorer. When you shift your identity from consumer asterisk to investor, everything changes. You stop bleeding money. You start building wealth. You start asterisk winning. And that's the real secret. It's not about the tactics. It's about who you become. Alright, that's it. 10 mistakes, 1 game-changing shift. Now the question is, what are you going to do with this? If this video hit home, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more no BS money content. And drop a comment right now, tell me, which mistake are you going to fix first? I'm reading every single one. Remember, you're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because no one taught you the rules. But now you know. So let's get to work. I'll see you in the next one.